Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Cardinal Kia, located in Niagara Falls, Ontario, and I am bringing you a cold start today. This is a 2013 Hyundai Elantra hatchback, a very practical family compact car. Being a hatchback, you have all the space in the back, but all the headroom too. But enough talking about it, let's get on with the cold start. It up. It's actually a really nice color too. I love this white, and you can see it does have the sunroof right here, which is panoramic. That is pretty sweet. Step on in, and wow, this is actually pretty nicely optioned out. Panoramic sunroof. And it starts right up. Awesome. Whoa. Pull the hood release. And you do have a leather wrapped steering wheel, phone controls, heated seats. Wow, this is a lot of options. Automatic transmission. That window is frozen shut. No surprise there though. Maybe we'll just sit it like that. And I will show you under the hood now. And this one has a 2-liter engine. 2-liter inline 4, 16-valve dual overhead cam engine. If I was to guess, I would say this puts out about 140 horsepower, and it probably gets around 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Being a 2013, it may not get as good as these brand new cars that get around 42, but 38 is still very respectable and very good. Runs very smooth, very quiet, and very nice. And this is the GT trim level, so I think it has everything but leather. Mileage on this car is 49,925, which is actually pretty low for a 2013. As you can see, the hatchback right here, very practical, very big. Anyways, that is the cold start of this 2013 Hyundai Elantra 4-door hatchback. Pull the keys out. I'll get myself out of the car, and we will lock her up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share this video, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.